Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use bridge connection Ethernet and Wi-Fi together at the same time in Windows 11 or 10. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, power on your system unit and wait until your Windows 11 computer loads up completely. Make sure you give it enough time to fully boot up so all the system processes are running smoothly. This ensures you won't encounter any issues when making network configuration changes. Once your PC is ready and you can see your desktop, navigate to your Windows menu located in the bottom left corner of your screen. Click on the Windows icon to open up the Start menu. This is your main hub for accessing all system tools and applications, and it's where we'll begin the process of bridging your connections. From here, type in Run in the search bar and hit Enter. This opens up a command window that gives you quick access to various Windows utilities. The Run dialog is one of the fastest ways to access network settings without navigating through multiple menus. In the Run window, type in ncpa.cpl and hit Enter. This command directly opens your network connections window, saving you time by bypassing the Settings app. It's a shortcut that system administrators often use for quick access to network configurations. After hitting Enter, a window will appear displaying all your available network connections. Here you'll see your Ethernet adapter, Wi-Fi adapter, and any other network interfaces your computer has. Now comes the important part. You need to select both your Ethernet and Wi-Fi connections together. To do this, hold down the Control key on your keyboard while clicking on each connection icon. This allows you to select multiple items at once, which is essential for creating a bridge between them. With both connections highlighted, right-click on either of the selected icons. A context menu will appear with several networking options. From this list of options, click on Bridge Connections. Windows will now begin creating a network bridge that combines your Ethernet and Wi-Fi connections into a single logical network interface. This process might take a few seconds as the system configures the bridge and adjusts your network settings accordingly. And that's it. You've successfully created a bridge connection that allows your Ethernet and Wi-Fi to work together simultaneously in Windows 11 or 10. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.